Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get value when you use React Hook. So I'm gonna use firstly library called semantic. It will help me to get some style from, for example, I input or wherever I want. So if you want to install it, just go ahead. If you don't want to, just skip it. So first install that, copy that line and put it into your command line cmd when you have your project, and just type enter. I already done it, so I don't have to do it again. And later on, just copy this second line, it is important, and put it into your project, into indexed, just right here, and let's start. So first what we need to do, it is import some style from library. So I'm gonna click input here, and maybe I take some input, so copy this line and put it into your project, enter. Don't forget that we're gonna use state, so we need to type as well this one line. So first let's see our input. So input, and let's open our project, npm start, and enter. It works. So as you can see, this is our input, and right now let's take some value from this input. So first what we need to do, it is create our hook. So const, when we're gonna keep our state value, let's say, and set value equal use state, and let's get some initial our value, and secondly we're gonna create some method on change, honey click, yep, that will be good. And we need to pass target. So right now we're gonna just console log our value, log target value, and let's call this method in our input. So on change, it will be handle click. So first we need to call the method, and we need to pass, of course, So let's see, it is working. So press F12, and let's see what will be in our command line here. So as you can see, it works. Our method works properly. So right now let's put that value into our state. So we need to set our value just like that, and just type it here. And right now we can delete that console log and just call that console log here, and log. So right now we're gonna call a value from state. So this one, it should show us the value what we type, but this time it is, as you can see, it's gonna be read from the state, from hook. So yeah, as you can see, it works. properly, yeah, it works. So right now let's do some refactoring and make that input as a component. It will be look very professional. I'm joking, but it will be much better. So let's create some folder and click that arrow, and new file would be input.js, and I'm gonna copy all file, just put it here. And what I need to do, I need to change the name, of course. Input component, let's say. And second thing, let's leave that console log. And I don't need that hook anymore here. I don't need that method. So I'm gonna pass value and method, what I will be called from a parent. So let's say on click, on change, and second value. Value and on change will be here. So right now, everywhere where I'm gonna use that component, it will be called a method from a parent and get value from parent. So let's come back to my class here. So what we need to do, just a little refactoring. So we're not gonna use that component anymore. We're gonna use our component from here. So input import input from our component. And right now we need to pass to the child our onChange method. So it will be this one, and value it will be from state, so from hook. So here we don't need that console log here because we want to check if it works in our component. So let me check. We pass the method name to our child and value, and we read method from onChange and value. Yeah, it's supposed to works. So as you can see, let me just refresh it, and it works. You got everything. Now you got a component, our input component, which you can use everywhere in different classes when you're gonna need some input. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna put some more videos later on. Cheers, bye.